Hey folks, Andy Baryer back at it with another one, another unboxing. This time we're doing Shlage. I think that's how you say it. This is their keyless touchscreen lever. If you are sick and tired of carrying keys around to get into your front door, you want to get something like this. We're going to do a retrofit as well, but this is the unboxing to show what it comes with. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so let's open it up. First thing you do see is the manual. And once again, this is the keyless touchscreen lock. This is a lever. You can see there's a lever right there. That's what this design is. They have different kind of designs. I do have another one, so you can look at that unboxing video as well. That's a little different, whereas that one has a key as well as the touchscreen. Whereas this one is just completely touchscreen. There is no key to my knowledge. So let's take a look and see the hardware. Here's the back end of it. The deadbolt goes into, oh, here's the front. So like I said, it is touchscreen. Nice matte finish. The bottom, we'll have to talk about this before. This is for an emergency because, like, look, there's no key here. What if the battery dies on this? You take a 9-volt and you touch it on here, and we'll have to show you that later on. But essentially, you put a 9-volt there, and then you can unlock it and then replace the battery. Cool little thing, because that was my big concern when I saw this, was what happens if the battery dies? I'm always thinking about worst case scenarios, especially when it comes to locks. So here's the inside portion of it where you can manually lock it. And I presume the battery sits right inside there. Let's see what else it comes with. There's got to be some more hardware. Whoa. So here's a lever or lever. Lever? I guess it's lever. So that's going to go right in there. What? There's two of them? Oh, I guess it's if it's going the other way, depending on what way you want it to open. Interesting that they come with two of them. Give you a lot of choices. Here's that. There's the other point. So we're going to have to fit this in. I hope that the door that I'm going to be putting this in can have an easy fit, because that would be nice. Oh, look at that. It comes with the battery as well, and all the other rest of the hardware pieces. So basically everything you need to get up and running is inside this box. So what I'll do is I'll clean this up and show you everything as it's nicely organized. And here's everything that it comes with in the unboxing. Of course, you have the touchscreen lock in front, and you have two levers depending on which way you want it to open up, depending on the door and your configuration. You have all the other pieces of hardware. Thankfully, it does come with the battery screws. So for the most part, it does seem like a pretty simple install. One thing I want to point out right now is you don't want to lose the manual, because they have these important codes here for each of the locks. And you want to probably take a picture of this and email it to yourself, just in case you forget, because you need these to program the actual codes inside here. I've never used this particular model, but I used another one, and it's pretty much the same system to do it. So I am going to be installing this on a door and trying to show you, step by step what it takes to put in. So you want to go and check out that video as well. As I reminded you earlier, this is just the unboxing of the Shlage Touch keyless touchscreen lock with a lever or two levers. So be sure to watch the actual review of this and the install video for this product. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.